Tada! Good evening! Hello everyone! You know guys, the time now here is 8 o'clock in the evening. But you know, I have the story about here in Batangas. So many birds in the cable. So many arrived and then roasting just for overnight. Look at the birds in the cable, the wire. Nakakatawa tingnan kasi po they all are facing in one direction. Look at the direction. It's facing in one way, the same direction. All available wires are taken off for the birds. Ako guys, tingnan nyo, may cable. Ang dami. Alam nyo guys, ang mga tao dito kahit gabi may sombrero, may mga umbrella. Akala mo umuulan, wala namang init kasi to avoid matagakan o ba yung mga nila, mga tae nila. Kaya for safety naman, para magkalo na lang or mag-umbrella. So guys, so many birds here. It's weird. It's weird. All availables wires are taken off by the birds. They must be 1,000 of birds. Look at the birds. Look at that. Tatabok tayo. Look at guys. Tapos yung mga daanan, may mga tae ng mga ibon pa. Ay, ipakita ko sa inyo. Yung mga mga puti-puti. Yun ang mga tae ng mga ibon. Kaya kaya akala ko, oh my god, this is weird here in Batangas. They arrive starting by 6:45 and then getting more and more until midnight, and then the cable they are all taken up by the birds. Yeah, so guys, if you counted, it's a loads, thousand everywhere here in the cable, in the wire. So guys, here it's a bit traffic here. I'm here in a corner. I'm here in the hotel. So just fancy doing a vlogs here to show you about here in Batangas. So guys, yeah. know guys. Kaya ano guys, di pwede during the day because they are gone around 6 o'clock in the morning. They gone, so nobody birds in the wire here in the streets. Just only nighttime. So this is like overnight roosting for overnight. Oh my God, thousand of birds. It's a small, reminds me magpie in UK, but magpie is big, but here it's really small, but it's the same color, but I don't know what's that this kind of bird. So guys, thank you for watching. Sorry po, gabing-gabi na. Ito lang ang chance ko na makapag-video kasi ano, wala namang ibon kong araw. So ito na ang chance ko. So guys, thank you for watching and stay safe. Bye for now. Bye.